Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I share Qatar 5x6 park visiting experience with you. It's located near the commercial and tourist hub in the city, and it's also easily available via Doha Metro. The 5x6 park gets its name from the landmark known as 5x6 Arc. The park lies in Oneisa, Doha, in a prime location surrounded by the popular tourist destinations such as Katara, Lusail, and West Bay Beach. The park has many facilities for visitors and tourists, like shaded area for families to sit, play area for children, and game suitable area for different aged peoples. Children's playground is located near the north entrance with rubberized floor. There is 1.4 km pedestrian path and a jogging track and a cycle path. There is 20 bicycle parking slot. They are designed in south entrance area. And there is fitness or exercise area with equipments. This park encourages a lot with health and fitness. One side of the park is adorned with wall art created by Qatari artists. It provided a great photography opportunity there. There is a high plant massy area in that park. It inspired by human fingerprint and created a Qatar's map. It has a total surface approximately 6,500 square meters. That's the park main part. The massy area made it by the plant bushes. For the children, it is a funny place. They can play find your way out game. There the entrance and the exit are named Qatari coastal location. It's making the massy area extremely interesting. Near the Massy Bush area, a 5-meter high hill with an observatory area where you can enjoy the view of Doha skyline as well as Qatari map shaped area. The Qatari map is placed in the park core. In the south entrance, there is a stainless steel installation was commissioned to mark the embargo on Qatar. by Qatari conceptual multidisciplinary artist. Night view is more beautiful than the daytime. It is a nice park to explore one day with your family. I recommend it for this. Keep watching. Hope your support. Meet you soon with another video. Thank you.